that come in my mind while you were explaining the process, that the check-in experience, if we have done a very good job on the pre-arrival, have taken all the information, then the arrival experience, the check-in experience can be super fast, right? Because you have already gathered all the information, you just need to verify the identity and then you can let the guest check in. And probably you can use the automated technologies nowadays available by the RFID cards or by the scanners, so that you can make it very fast. Or sometimes the hotels are offering even in-room check-in, because they don't offer the
Absolutely.
check-in at the front desk. They are saying you go to the room directly and then you do a check-in there itself. So that it depends on the hotel. I think what they want to achieve with the journey map. So they need to identify, is it something which is attractive to the guest or it does not attract to their particular guest, because that's a nice touch point.
These are again touch points which are part of the journey.
Yes.
Checking into the room.
Hmm.
Checking into the room straight away, the guest does not wait at the reception.
Hmm.
Certain category of rooms, they directly go to the. But
Yes.
that's very important point we touched. All the information is done at the pre-arrival.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
imagine a situation where the receptionist there starts juggling with the papers and says, "Sir,
Yeah.
can I have your booking voucher? What is your full name?
Hmm.
What is your? Can I have a copy of the voucher?"
Hmm.
You know, this is when the customer feels
Hmm.
very
Hmm.
irritated.
Yeah. Yeah.
Every information is there with you. Why are you asking me?
Hmm.
You ask me my copy, take my copy,
Hmm.
but you can't keep on asking again and again.
Yes. Yes.
So it's very important that the days check-in are checked properly, the information is checked properly. Confirmation of couple of things is required to avoid any kind of a dissonance or dispute at the time of checkout,
Hmm. Hmm.
because then you already build him. So then
Yes.
it's a different ball game.
Hmm. 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 Well, like we can
Payment.
learn from
How are you
the.
going to pay me? Are you going
Yeah.
to get payments? Is he going to pay you at the time of checkout,
Yes.
or is he going to send the bill to the company,
Hmm.
or what is the? So everything should be clear
Yes.
to avoid any misgivings at
Any
the later
misgiving.
time.
Yeah. Hotel industry can learn from other industries like airlines. They normally nowadays not asking for the ticket. They just ask for the passport and they do the other things by themselves. Even they are offering to fill up the information on the passport number or the date of birth beforehand, so that the time you arrive, you just have to take your boarding pass and go. You don't have to wait for anything else. So that's what the
Absolutely.
hotels I see nowadays are doing, is many hotels are sending the information beforehand, or even asking them to self check in. So that's like they are creating a QR code, or they are creating a link for the guest. They send it to the guest and then the guest is filling up all the information. So it saves the labor productivity of the person, plus it makes sure that the information is absolutely correct, because there's no chance of getting a mistake by the guest itself.
You're absolutely correct. But it also has to, the hotel has to decide how much marriage is allowed between technology and human being.
Yes. Hmm.
In a country like India, which is Atithi Deva Bhava,
Hmm.
has been our slogan,
Hmm.
where
Hmm.
each guest is treated as a god.
Hmm.
What kind of leverage of technology you want to use?
Hmm. Hmm.
Because there's a human connect, which is very important in driving customer delight.
Hmm.
Is it getting lost or no?
Hmm. Hmm.
I feel that is very important.
Yeah.
The right balance between technology
Hmm.
and human connect
Yeah.
is very, very important.
Okay. Correct. Another touch point that we probably I want your inputs is on when the customer arrive at the airport. He is saluted, and then there is some engagement with the customer, with by the chauffeur or by the guest service agent. So when he arrive at the hotel, then the darban is also trying to engage with him, or the guest service associate who is sitting in the lobby, whose job is to engage with the customer. And then he comes to the front office, and then he is going into the escort. During this whole time, there are possibilities that the people, the associates, are asking exactly the same question. How was your train journey? How was your airport journey? So is there should be a script or maybe a way that what they should be asking at each stage, so that one question is not repeated more than one time. Otherwise, the guest service, the person who is going to receive, he will ask you how was your flight. The driver will ask you how was your flight. The darban will ask you how was your flight. The front office guy also will ask you the same question. So how many times you have to answer the same question?
No, I think it vary from point to point. It will be the Darban will definitely not ask him this question.
Hmm.
As far as the front office is concerned, I think the question will change. The tone of the question will change.
Hmm.
You know, he might ask how the journey was. You have a comfortable drive from the airport to the hotel. You know,
Hmm.
that would be the question.
Hmm. Hmm.
I hope you didn't find much traffic on the way, sir.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the ride. I hope you enjoyed
Yeah.
the beauty.
Hmm.
Somebody's going for 45 minutes drive along the Kerala coast
Hmm.
for airport pickup. You might say, okay, sir, I hope you enjoyed the drive and route to the
Hmm.
hotel.
Hmm.
You know,
Hmm.
so
So means the
I
hotel
think
need
there are
to
different
train.
manners, different ways of engaging with a customer. Yes, you're
Hmm.
right. Repeating same question again and again could be a bit of irritant for the customer.
Hmm. Because that has happened to me. In few hotels that I visited, the driver is asking the same questions, and then I check in at the front desk. The front desk guy is also asking the same question, and then the guy who's girl who is going to escort me to the room also asked me the similar question. So I just keep quiet. No energy left to answer. So I think that's a very important point for the guest journey mapping is that the hotels need to see what exactly the each at each stage you're gonna be engaging the customer. So maybe you cannot give the script because that's not the right way, but you can at least guide the associates what they should be talking about the topics so that they are not repeating itself.